If you encounter the error message, there's a billing problem with a previous purchase, or verification required, on your iPhone. It is likely due to an issue with the payment method associated with your Apple ID. This can occur if the payment method on file has expired or needs to be updated. To resolve this, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID. 3. Select Payments and Shipping. 4. Here, review your current payment method and ensure that it is up to date and has not expired. If necessary, update your existing payment method or add a new one by selecting Add Payment Method. Once the payment information is corrected, return to the Apple ID screen by tapping the back button and select Subscriptions. Check for any unpaid subscriptions or errors. If there are any, select the affected subscription and complete the purchase to eliminate the error. Another possible reason for this issue could be related to family sharing. If you are using family sharing and the shared payment method is either expired or deactivated, this may result in billing issues. To address this, 1. Go to Settings on your iPhone and tap your Apple ID at the top. 2. Select Family Sharing. 3. Tap Purchase Sharing at the bottom to view the shared payment method. 4. Ensure family sharing is enabled and confirm that the payment method is valid. If there's an issue, contact the person responsible for managing family sharing to make any necessary updates. Following these steps should help resolve any billing problems causing the error.